FLEX Seal is actually liquid rubber in a can. It sprays out as a thick liquid. It seeps into cracks and holes, and it dries to a watertight, flexible, rubberized coating. FLEX Seal coats, seals, and protects virtually everything, and can stop leaks fast. Use FLEX Seal for all your indoor and outdoor repairs. It's perfect for skylight leaks, all types of roof leaks, and leaking gutters. Use FLEX Seal on cars, trucks, RVs, and campers. Once it's dry, FLEX Seal can be painted any color. Use FLEX Seal on boats to seal out air, water, and moisture. Plus, it's perfect for all your DIY projects, crafts, and hobbies. FLEX Seal, it's liquid rubber in a can.